In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform. Jotform is a powerful tool that allows you to easily create and manage forms for a variety of needs, whether it's for event registrations, surveys, feedback forms, or more. Let's take a moment to walk through the process of creating your first form. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. So, open up the Jotform website and enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is quite user-friendly and a great starting point for your journey into form creation. Next, we'll create a form. Look for the Create Form button, which allows you to start with either a blank slate or choose from a selection of templates. Templates can be a fantastic resource to get started quickly, especially if you find something that closely aligns with what you're envisioning. Alternatively, starting with a blank form gives you the freedom to design exactly what you need from scratch. Now that you've chosen your form style, it's time to add fields. The process is wonderfully simple, thanks to Jotform's drag and drop feature. You'll find a variety of inputs you can include, like name, email, and various question types. Just drag your chosen field over to your form area. Consider the kind of information you want to collect and select fields that best capture that data. For instance, if you need straightforward information, text boxes are effective. For more in-depth responses, you might incorporate larger text areas or even multiple choice questions. This customization makes each form unique to your specific requirements. Once your form is set up and looks good to go, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the Publish button, which gives you several sharing options. You can generate a direct link to share with specific individuals or groups, or if you prefer, you can embed the form directly onto your website. Embedding is particularly useful for businesses or bloggers who want to maintain a consistent user experience on their sites. Just copy the provided embed code and paste it into the HTML of your site where you'd like the form to appear. After sharing your form, you'll want to keep track of the responses you receive. This is made easy through the Submissions section on your dashboard. Here you can view all incoming responses at a glance, and even download them for further analysis. It's an excellent way to keep track of feedback or data collection, ensuring you're organized and up to date with information gathered. And that's it! In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to build and manage forms using Jotform. This process takes mere minutes, but the data you can